Okay, so I'm gonna brief you about the amazing penthouse with a huge private terrace. So let's enter into the flat. Once when you enter in the flat, let's start with the amazing decorative Tirupati Balaji frame. The amazing POP work done, the great artwork. I'll just take a 360 degree to get an amazing view. So that's the private terrace. I'm gonna short take you over there. You get the beautiful artwork done over here. From that door we just entered in the house. So let's enter in the flat. This is the first bedroom over here. Which you are facing on the roadside, so you get the morning sunlight. The beautiful tree art. Okay, so this is the living area which I briefed you earlier. Now when you exit from the bedroom, on the right hand side you get a very beautiful modular kitchen with the fridge space as well as the balcony, flower bed balcony, and you get the storage space as well. Then when you take a right turn, this is the common washroom which is connected with the living area. The other bedroom, which is very spacious, the same view which you get it of the road view. And this is the master bedroom, the entirely work done, the washroom attached, the wardrobe is entirely done, and the living area, amazing, beautiful, with the POP work done. So now we'll have a look of the huge private terrace where you can organize your events. The mostly people just dream to have that in the Mumbai. I'll just brief you about the so it's raining. Wow. So this is the private terrace area. So there is wash basin also provided, beautifully garden. So if you organize an event, you can enjoy the view. This is again the living space which is connected. The major plus point of this is, wow, look at the open terrace area which you get the huge designs, the art. So there is one more place where you can keep the private party place or a bar hub. The plus point, you get the amazing temple over here which is beautifully designed. Jai Mata Di, which is amazing and beautifully designed. So there is staircase as well to go upstairs. We came from that living area. Now I'm gonna show you the extra living space over here. So this is more design, which we say a kind of, you know, Mughal theme. Wow, this is one more the art over here, which is more designed. The space is connected with the living area, so you get a huge space. Now entering to the other bedroom. So this is the bedroom where you get a spacious, oh wow, amazing. So you get the wardrobe space, you get the bedroom, beautifully designed. So there are 2 windows for the ventilation as well. So this is one more living area. You get the Maharaja sofa set along with the flat, the living area. So this is one more gate. So there are 2 doors for the entry and exit. From any door you can come in and out. So it is connected with both wings, C and D. One more temple. Wow, this is an amazing temple where you get the peace and beautifully designed. So I'll just take a 360. I enter from this area, the living space, the one more gate, the earlier gate I have briefed you, the temple, the Maharaja sofa set. There is a kitchen area in case the guest come over here, which is entirely modular. Okay, and this is the common washroom for the guest, and this is one more bedroom with the washroom attached. So total there are 1, 2, almost you get 3, 4, 5 bedrooms over here with a huge terrace, so you can enjoy the view as well. A heavy rain. This sounds so beautiful. Wow. So you get the amazing city view as well. So for more inquiry, anything if you need regarding the flat, feel free to connect VS Realty 9768232501. Mr. Sharma. Jai Mata Di.